Hello YouTube, welcome back to the Web Gear Review. I am your host, the Web Gear Guy, and today I would like to take a look at a pair of Mopp boots. Now, Mopp stands for Mission Oriented Protective Posture. This gear was designed to protect troops against nuclear, biological, and chemical contaminants, better known as the acronym NBC. This pair of boots is just part of one of the 5 different items that make up the Mopp gear. The soldier would have a gas mask. We'll be looking at some of that in here in the near future. A protective hood, a protective overgarment, a protective gloves, and of course these protective boots that you're looking at right here. These are just simply over boots. They're a pretty simple item. This video here is only about the boots. There's really not a lot to see with these boots here, but however, I did collect them, so we're going to share them here on the Web Gear Review. But anyway, there's 3 versions of these NBC boots that I know of, and actually I think there's another one out that has CBNC or something, I don't know. But I'm not really collecting the newer things. But anyway, these right here is what would be known as a second type of the NBC boots, to the best of my knowledge. They had, like, the first version was kind of a wrapped up type and with strings and stuff, and I'll show you that at a later time. And but let's take a look at these the second version. The second type of these boots came out around the early 1990s. They were very short-lived. For the next version, they made some improvements in around 95, and they were used plumb up into the 2000s, and I don't know, the third version may still be in use. But let's take a quick look at these boots. These boots were made by KCA. These are size 10. Let's see if we can get that up there. KCA. These are size 10. See the type of treads they had on them. They're just simply a boot that you would slip over. It has this kind of a little stretchy bungee cord type deal that just goes over and hooks and closes the boot. Now on this boot here, I'll show you one that is not latched, okay? So it's just a complete rubber boot that would slip over the combat boot that the wearer had on. I read that these were supposed to be ambidextrous, or, left or right, but by going how they're made, that don't appear to be so. So whoever wrote that obviously didn't know what they were talking about. But anyway, that's what I had read about them. But anyway, you would just slip these on, and then you'd take this little bungee, and you would just pop it around there like that. And boom, you have your chemical boots on. Now, there's no date anywhere on this pair of boots right here, but like I said, to the best of my knowledge, they come in usage around the early 90s and faded out around early 95 because they made an improvement. Check the next video out for the third type of the NBC boots, and I'll do a comparison and show you the improvement. Thanks for watching the Web Gear Review.